you tired of seeing your money continuously decrease? Today, I'm introducing you to a simple yet amazing strategy that can turn your losses into significant profits. This strategy is so simple that even beginners can use it. With just 2 simple indicators, step into the world of professional trading and confidently execute successful trades. Ready to make a big change in your trading strategy? Let's get started. To begin, we need 2 main indicators. First, price and volume breakout strategy. Second, RSI histogram. These 2 tools together give you the power to predict the market and find the best entry and exit points. Let's first look at how to add these tools to the chart. Go to the Indicators tab in your trading platform. Search for price and volume breakout strategy and add it to the chart. Now let's optimize the settings for this indicator. Set the price breakout period to 9. Set the volume breakout period to 9. Set the trend line to 21. Set the order direction to long and short. In the Style tab, disable all options except for the main lines. Go back to the Indicators tab, search for RSI histogram and add it. Apply the following settings. Set the RSI length to 21. Set the moving average length to 14. Set the moving average type to KMA and its value to 3. Disable colors and bars in the Style tab. Introducing the indicators and their applications. 1. Price and volume breakout bias strategy indicator. This indicator is one of the powerful tools for identifying ideal buy and sell points in the market. Main function: detecting price breakouts accompanied by increased trading volume. When the price reaches a new range and trading volume increases, it indicates strong demand in the market. This indicator helps you identify these golden moments and take advantage of price fluctuations. 2. RSI histogram indicator. This special version of RSI not only shows overbought or oversold conditions, but also clarifies the overall market situation using the histogram. Main function: analyzing market sentiment and confirming buy and sell signals. A green histogram indicates a bullish market and positive sentiment, while a red histogram means a bearish market. This indicator helps you separate valid signals from weak ones. These indicators alone are not enough and should be used in combination. Why? Because the market doesn't always act logically and may give you false signals.
Okay.
By combining these 2 tools, you increase your chances of success and reduce your trading risks. Now that the indicators are ready, let's talk about the rules for entering a trade. Buy rules. The price must be above the moving average line. This way we understand that we are in an uptrend. Now we need to look for a breakout and wait for it to be broken by a bullish candle at that level. Once this happens, we should check the RSI and make sure that it's green and above the line. Once all these conditions are met, we need to look for a level to set our stop loss. To do this, we can place our stop loss slightly below the last swing low or below the moving average. Now for the take profit, we can set a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close in profit. Sell rules. The price must be below the moving average line. This way we understand that we are in a downtrend. Now we need to look for a breakout and wait for a bearish candle to break that level downwards. When this happens, we should check the RSI and make sure that it is red and below the line. When all these conditions are met, we need to look for a level to set our stop loss. For this, we can place our stop loss slightly above the last swing high or above the moving average. Now for the take profit, we can set a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close in a profit. We tested this strategy on 100 trades on a 5-minute chart for gold and got amazing results. Win rate 71%, 115% in just 2 months. As you can see, this strategy is simple yet very powerful. With this method, you can make more confident and profitable trades. So don't wait and try this strategy today. Write your comments and questions below and share the video with your friends.